In this video, friends, I will show with you step by step how to log in BNP Paribas Fortis. So guys, go to Google and search for BNP Paribas Fortis, and then you will see this option, sign in. As you can see, click this option and then just wait, guys. You will see two options here, your countries and your customer number. So guys, all you have to do, write your country's number. For example, this is my number, guys. After that, friends, when you write your number, you should be write your customer number. For example, this is your customer number, guys. Write your customer number here and then click connect with this ITSM. The same thing, guys, on the app. Just go to Google and search for app, BNP Paribas app. You should be download this app. After download, log in easily, all this with this information. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you another video soon, guys. Keep watching.